Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Vishal, and today we are going to talk about how to make other people like the amazing you and how you can become a rock star for them. So, without the further ado, let's do this. So guys, the first point is make it about them. So we all think of that one line to say, that one amazing thing to speak that will make instantly people like us. And you know what? This doesn't work like that. People do not want to listen to that amazing one line of yours, or do not want to say listen to that amazing thing that you have to speak. Rather, people want to talk. See, we humans are egocentric creatures who want to talk more about themselves, who want to speak more about ourselves. So you have to make people talk about themselves. When people talk about themselves, they feel validated, they feel being listened to, they feel as if they have importance. And when you are making them talk, when you are making them feel important, they'll subconsciously end up liking you, because it's you to whom they are revealing their life. So how to do this? See, if you want to make people talk about themselves, you need to ask them questions about their life. Now the mistake that most of the people make while asking questions is that they often go in the interview mode and keep asking questions and question after question, like what do you do, where do you live, where do you come from, acha, what do you like, what you don't like. And after a certain point, there's no more room left for further conversation, and the person feels as if they are being interviewed, and this puts people on guard and they don't feel like revealing much to you. Rather, what you have to do is, when you ask them a question like where do you come from, then when they say like I come from Delhi, then comment something about Delhi, that you love the food of Delhi, or you have visited these places in Delhi. Have they visited there? Or if you ask them about their work, like if you ask what do you do and the person replies I'm a teacher, instead of asking them what subjects do they teach, ask them how's their experience interacting with students, how does it feel like. So this makes people actually talk about themselves, share their experience with you, and as they share more experiences with you, they reveal much of their life and they end up liking you. So guys, the second way of getting people like you is by adding value to their lives. So guys, whenever you're talking to people, it can be your old buddies, it can be your journal friends, or someone you're meeting for the first time. Think of how you can add value to their lives, how you can make their lives somewhat better. So it can be by giving them genuine compliment, it can be by giving them positivity, encouragement, or it can be by cracking jokes and making them laugh. And you have to do this without expecting anything in return, because most of the times people will just accept your compliment and they'll just say thanks, or they'll laugh at your jokes and they won't care to compliment you back or crack jokes to make you laugh. People won't do the efforts for you. But when you genuinely want to make someone feel better, and when you genuinely want to make them happy, they end up liking you, because there are very few people who actually do something for nothing, and for them you become the source of positivity, you become the source of happiness, you become the source of laughter. And nowadays, as nobody is doing this without expecting anything in return, people crave for you, people will have craving for you and your presence, because your presence is actually adding happiness to their lives, is giving them positivity. So think of ways you can add value to the lives of others without expecting anything in return. Guys, the third way of getting people like you is appreciating the efforts and not the talent. Common mistake that most of the people make while giving compliments or appreciating someone is that they appreciate people about the talents that they have instead of the efforts that the people put. And when you appreciate people about their talents, they feel they got lucky to get those talents, and if they weren't lucky enough, they wouldn't have been where they are right now. But when you appreciate people about the efforts that they put, then they feel as if their hard work is being appreciated, and it's them
that who have got where they are, it's all because of them. So an example can be, suppose someone is a very good writer and you want to appreciate that person. Appreciating the talent can be, man, you have got such a great writing skills, you're so talented. That is one way of putting out the appreciation. The other way is you put so much time and dedication to your writing that whatever you write is so much fine and delightful to read. So what you're doing is, in the previous appreciation and the current appreciation, at heart you're giving a genuine compliment, but by changing how you give the compliment, you completely change the way other person perceives you and end up having an opinion about you. So when you appreciate people about their efforts, they'll automatically end up liking you because you have appreciated their hard work.
If you want to be liked by other people, then you also have to like them. See, you can't make people like you, we can't get people like you if you don't genuinely at heart like them. If you want a person to like you, then you have to say to yourself that, oh my god, that person is so great. Think about all the good qualities of that person and make yourself like that person. So what will happen is, whenever you will have conversation with that person, that behavior, that body language will be displayed to that person subconsciously. So without even knowing, you will talk to that person in such a way that that person will end up liking you. So if you want others to like you, you need to like them. So guys, the food is here. Now this looks delicious. So guys, the best thing about these rolls is they're juicy, tender, and they taste amazing with these mayonnaise. So guys, the food was good, the weather is awesome, and it's time to wrap up the video. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, click on thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I release these kind of videos every Saturday and you don't want to miss them. Till then, it's Vishal signing off, a guide to rich life.